Hello everyone and welcome to the Getting Started with Amazon Web Services. My name is Zakaria and I will be guiding you through this course. I'm an AWS Solutions Architect and I have worked in many projects implementing AWS as well as big data architectures. I have the three AWS Associate Level certifications, the Solutions Architect, the Developer, and the CSOPS Administrator certifications. I also have the two specialty level certifications, the Big Data and the Advanced Networking certifications. This course video is designed to provide you with the basics and fundamentals of AWS. The course covers many aspects of AWS and it will teach you the terminologies and the concepts of AWS Platform and the AWS Management Console. It will help you understand the security measures provided by AWS using the AWS IAM or AWS Identity and Access Management. This course will also allow you to cover the foundational services of AWS, including computing, networking, storage, and database services of AWS. Finally, you will know how to scale and manage your infrastructure using different management tools. This course starts with an overview of AWS where we will discover and discuss the AWS global infrastructures. In the second section, we will detail the basics of using AWS Identity and Access Management or IAM to manage access to specific resources in your Amazon Web Service account and to create groups of users, set permissions for each group, generate a password, and use assign URL to sign in to the console as an IAM user. For the third and fourth sections, we will cover and discover the foundation of service of AWS, and for the last sections, we will focus on management tools including Elastic Load Balancing, Autoscaling, and CloudWatch. For this course, you will need a Windows, a Linux, or a Mac laptop. To practice, you will have to create an AWS account, and for this, you only need to follow the online instructions. And I mentioned that as part of the signing procedure, you will receive a phone call and you have to enter a PIN using the phone keypad. To create a new account, I open the AWS signing page in my browser. I don't have any AWS account, so I need to create a new one. AWS provides new users with a 1-year free trial access that enables them free usage of a lot of services within the AWS platform. Those are the services per category that are within the free trial access. I mention here that there are some services that provide always free limited usage, along with the 1-year free trial access. And I mean by always free limited usage that those services are always free but are charged if we exceed the indicated free limit. Now I go ahead and start creating my AWS account. I click on Create a new AWS account and I am redirected to the Creating Account portal. Here I need to specify my connection information, which are the email address, the password, and the account name. And as a demo, I am going to use some random information. So I specify my account name, my email address, I type my password, confirm my password, I specify my AWS account name. I click on Continue and I am in the contact information page where I need to choose the account type, if it is a professional or personal account. In our case, it will be a personal account. We've already specified the account name, so we don't need to choose it. I'm going to indicate a random phone number, but in your case you should introduce your exact phone number because it is mandatory for the end of the subscription. I specify random values for the country name, the address, the city, and the postal code. To proceed, you need to check the box to indicate that you have read and agreed to the terms of the AWS Customer Agreement, and I click on Create Account and continue to the Payment Information page. You have to type your payment information. It is mandatory to continue, but you won't be charged as long as you are in the free trial access. I'm going to skip the video to type the information data and I click on Secure Submit. I will be redirected to the last part of the subscription, which is the phone verification. I fill all the needed information and I click on Call Me Now. Remember to type a valid phone number. AWS will call you via an automated system to enter the 4 digits that will be displayed in the screen. Before the subscription confirmation, you need to choose the support plan. In our case, we will use a basic plan.